Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We have our Vauxhall Mocha on a 15 plate. We're going to change our near side rear light bulbs. Okay, now let me just say, near side is the side nearest to the curb. Off side is the side furthest from the curb. So this one now, the off side will be the driver's side out in the road. Near side is the nearest one to the pavement. Okay, let's crack on. Here we have like a little plug thing. We have a knife, we just get that under there, just pop that up like that. It's held on by a little dangly bit. There we have a Phillips screw. We've got to take that out. This little bit here, that goes into there. See the shape of it? I popped that out earlier on. You've got to get a knife again, sort of like in between there or in between there, wherever you can find a space, and just pop it out. Then you've got two Phillips screws in there. That's how far I got. So I'm going to take those out, and it looks as if though we have a little panel behind here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off, get this panel out, because it may be easier than mucking around trying to get that out with that. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, I've got it all apart. I've taken the panel down. Right, once you get this screw out, it's, see where it got kind of lips on them? Yeah, so they're a bit of a pain to get in. So you got to more or less kind of like this thing, when you're pulling it, it kind of like bends. Yeah, so you have to work with it, but it won't break. Then once you get that out, again, prise this one out. Okay, now once you're inside there, yeah, there's a fuse box I didn't know about, and there's something else down there that I don't know about what it is, but right now I'm not into that. If we look just inside there, you can see again 1, 2, and down the bottom 3, and across the other side there somewhere there should be another one, making 4 screws to get it out. And again, take your Phillips out of there, pull it straight back towards you, and it should just come out. I'm not going to bother take it out. I'm going to use the video that I done from this side with the bulb, splice it in with this one. Once you get it out inside there, if you look just up the top there, that looks like a 8mm. Oh my days, my battery's going. Looks like a 7 or 8mm. I'm gonna get that out. There's one, I think there's another one down the bottom there, just sticking out there. There's 2, and there should be one up the other side. There's normally 3 or 4 that holds it in. Okay, so I'm gonna get those out and get back to you. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back again. Now I've managed to get all my nuts off inside there. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. The other one's somewhere about. 4 of them. Where is it? We'll find it. 4. Here we go. 4 of them. Okay. Then your light, it may be a bit difficult to get off, but it comes straight back this way. So if I pull that back, the only reason why it came off that easy is because I had it off before. But just persevere, just keep pulling it straight back. Remember, take the screw out of there, and then you have 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, to change your bulb, you twist anti-clockwise there and lift. Alright, there you go, and there's your bulb. Your bulb, you just pull it straight out. You don't have to twist it or anything. Just pull it straight out, get your new one, press it straight back in, get it lined up. See the cuttings inside there? It will go back in place. You can see it, just the cable's molded in that way over time. Right, put it back in, slot it in, and just twist it back around until it locks in place. You can't move it. Yeah, this one I've taken out and put back, but it's very hard to get this one. It's kind of tighter than the others. The other one just inside there, exactly the same thing. Just twist them, pull out, it comes out. If you have any trouble, you could undo that screw there and just move this out your way. But that's about it. So what we're gonna do now is fit it back. Hold on 1 second. Okay, time to put it back. What we do, this longest stud here, we line it up with a hole in the body there. At the same time, we're lining up the peg there with that groove. See there? That's got a slot onto there. At the same time we're lining this one up. So if you get that one in line, sort of there, I don't know if you can see it, maybe just about inside there, and then you look down here and you get that in line with the hole. Kind of awkward trying to show you while I'm trying to look myself. Basically that's the idea. Line them both up and push it forward and then put your nuts back. Alright, 1 second. You know to get it out. Now you know to change your bulb by watching that one. Okay, so what we're going to do now, get this bit and we just line it back up inside there. Some way, somehow, just inside there. Line it all up. In there, can't even see properly. There you go. Oh shoot, I didn't even show you, I was showing you down there. Oh, this is the trouble with trying to... Anyway, it goes back in. Then you get this one here. And we're going to put the middle one at the bottom. Or the two of them in. There's three of them. 1, 2, 3. Line those three up. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. And we lift it across. Now, we've got to kind of like get this bit in. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we've got to kind of like try and bend it, you know? Like, get it kind of like a bowl shape. I can't do it because I'm doing it with one hand. Oh, press it just goes straight in. A bit of encouragement. Oh, mate. There you go. Alright, so we got to do now. Let's put our 3 screws back. One in there. One in there. Oh, kid socks. Don't watch not near here, people. It's a working vehicle. This ain't no showroom thing. Screw that in. One thing you got to do anytime you're doing these kind of things, check the screws that you take out. You see, like these look like self tappers, plastic. They will go into plastic. The other one with closer threads will go into metal. They're fine, so there will be nut and bolt sort of screws. Or this one is going to a metal clip. Yeah, not a nut. Alright, that one goes in like that. Get that. Line it back up. See that bit at the corner there? Just put that back in place. And press. Here it clips in. That's that done. That's that done. This bit here, as I said earlier on, just pops out. So we line it back up how it's supposed to be. And see these leg bits like? Put those in first. And then press. So we know now if we're taking it out, take it out from that corner. Okay, next one. Again. Legs. Oh, I've got to tighten up our screw first. See, this is why you need to sometimes slow down with what you're doing and check and double check before you finish off everything and say that's it. Okay, so that's in. Get our legs bit in just like that and then press, and that's it, all done. Another job done. So again, from Trey with People's Tips, till next time, see you later. And for all those who are out there robbing people, stop doing it. See ya.